Hey, what's up, guys? Back to another vlog. How you guys doing? Any new subscriber? Please subscribe to my channel. Any new subscriber don't know me? My name is Ramel. Before I explain the thumbnail and title, I'm going to get my car from the dealership, so I can let y'all hear it and take y'all for a drive and stuff. Get it and bring it home. But anyway, I'm waiting for a lift right now, and I'll turn back on the camera once I get to the dealership and get in my car. And I'll turn the camera back on once I get in life. Alright guys, I'm in my car. I'm about to you hear it? Listen. It's nice and loud. I'm in it. I'm just spraying this so it won't overheat. So I'm spraying right now. I can't really see. Hold on, guys. What the hell? Let me try to take this bag off. Alright? Hold on, guys. So, I'll let y'all hear it and everything. And I'm going to explain the thumbnail and title. Hold on. I'm going to try to take this bag off. Alright guys, so there we go. Y'all hear it? It's really loud. I just gotta make a U-turn. Make a U-turn so I can get out of here. I'm next to a Porsche dealership. And they got Ferraris. Look! Ferraris. First time seeing Ferraris out here. Look at that old Porsche. Way out of here now. On my way home. So when I get home, I can explain the thumbnail title. There's nothing I hate about this car too. turn the camera back on once I get home and I explain the thumbnail and title. Alright guys, I'm stuck on the side of the road. I'm calling overheated. And I'm just waiting for somebody to come home. And I've been saying for like 2 hours now. Almost 3. Mad tow trucks been passing by me. But look at this shit. I need somebody help. Look at all these fucking cars. All these goddamn cars. They don't want to fucking stop and help nobody. They don't. And I'm like 16 minutes away from home. That's a damn shame. Well, I'm waiting for my mechanic to come. And like, look at this. Stuck on the side of the road. And that's really it. I'm really stuck. Like, right now the cooling, right now overheated. Yep. I don't want to take no lift somewhere and then come right back my car in here. But, yeah, all these fucking cars, they passing. Not even stopping. That's crazy. But, I'll turn back to the camera once my mechanic gets to me and bring me a big gallon of water. And I should be good. But, yeah. So I turn back the camera once my mechanic call me, and I drive home safe. And then I explain the thumbnail title when I get home. Okay? I turn back on the camera. All right, guys. I had a State Farm guy try to help me. He tried to jump it and didn't want to start. And yeah, stuck on the road again. Well, I gotta wait till 30-40 minutes. Let this car cool down again. And see what's up, and that's it. Alright. My phone's dying. I'm on probably like 30%. But I'll turn back on the camera for anything. And ask somebody to help me. I'll turn back the camera back on the state guy car. The state guy coming in. Alright, guys. But when I get home, I'm still explaining the thumbnail title. But I love the interior, like this purple, man. Look at that, this purple. I love this purple. I really do. I really love this purple. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I would really rock this car purple like this. I'm gonna say why though. Why I wanna wrap it purple like that? Because I'm gonna do is when I get tinted windows, 5% all around the front window and the back window. I have my YouTube channel on top. The reason why I'm gonna rap it purple because one of my teachers passed away. Her name was Miss Jones, and our favorite color is purple. And she loved purple very, 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 very much. Like, that's our favorite color. Now, because I want to do a rap like that, because I love purple too. And if she was here, and if she was still alive and here on this earth, and I had a number still, I'm Miss Jones. Come look at the car, and she would be happy seeing this car wrapped in purple. She loves purple. But yeah, I'll wait for the State Farm guy to come, and I'll see what's going on. All right. So I'll turn back on the camera once you come back. All right, guys. I'm home. I've been made it home. So I'm right here in the entrance. I just ate and everything. Well, my mechanic's gonna fix my car. It was just a coolant leak, and it need a water pump and everything. But here come the thumbnail. Here's come the title. There's five things I hate about my car, and 5 things I hate about it. So I caught a couple of things that I hate about the car. Like, I'm gonna tell you things I love about this car. Number 1, it shift gears real good. Number 2, it take off good. Number 3, I love the interior. It's black and purple. Number 4, I love when it take off, that loud exhaust and everything. Number 5, the air intake, whatever, and everything. That's in there. I'm gonna show y'all all that when I'm supposed to show y'all that, but I'm gonna show you that when I get the car back. What else? Number 6, I love the trunk space. Number 7, it's a lot I love about this car. It's fun to drive and everything. Now, the things I hate about it, I'm gonna say the rims. That's number 1. The factory radio, number 2. The steering wheel, I'm gonna change that, so that's number 3. And then number 4 is just the speakers in the door. And the 5th one, there's nothing else I hate about the car, but I love this car. Like, I'm not gonna lie. So the thing is, like I said before, I want to do. Y'all gonna see the purple. I'm gonna show you. I showed y'all earlier. I want to do a same rap as that, because the reason why I want to do a same rap as that, because like I said, I have a teacher named Miss Jones, and she passed away, and she loved the color purple. And RP to my teacher, Miss Jones. I wish you was still here and would have seen my car and everything. And I wish she was still here. Last time I seen her before she passed away. But yeah. So comment down below what else mod should I do to this car. Like, should I do a turbo? Should I do I don't know what else to do. And that's really it. So basically, before I end the vlog, everybody like this video, comment down below, tell me what you think about the video. Everybody like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, keep updating my videos. Okay, and I gotta save money for the big stuff now. Big stuff. So I gotta save money for that. So I'm a vlog when, like, I'm not gonna vlog where I'm going and stuff. But yeah, I'm not gonna vlog when I'm gonna vlog when I get in the car, started, do what I gotta do, and then drive it home and stuff, make sure it's right. and you just gotta write down what else stuff that I need, and basically that's it. Um, like I said, everybody like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, keep updates on my video. Everybody, I love you guys. Support my video. Everybody, share all my videos. Share them with your family. Tell everybody, your friends, your families, your sisters, your brothers. Everybody, tell everybody to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And whoever subscribe, any of my videos, comment done, and you will get a shout out. That basically a shout out. This year, I'm trying to reach at least 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to reach for the rest of this year, and that's what I'm doing. So, yeah, that's it for the vlog. But before I even let y'all go, anyway, I'm gonna say this. Yeah, I had a blue do-rag on, but I got my super cap on now. I'm bonding on now. Car is loud, like I said. Buffalo delete. That's what it has. So I'm gonna tell y'all once again, and the people that are gonna be new to the channel, the people that's new to the channel, gonna be new to the channel, you're gonna see my first car when I had a 1999 Dodge Durango, and then my other one I had a Mazda. Then I had another Volkswagen. Now I got a new one, a 2004. And it's not a new car. Volkswagens, I'm telling you, Volkswagens is fun to drive, and it's good with speed. So, once my mechanic called me, say it's done and stuff, it's fixed, I'm gonna test drive it, make sure it's good, and all that other stuff, take out for a ride of it so I can hear it, and how loud it is, and, you know, take out for a little ride in it, and make sure y'all good. We're gonna go to High Point, and, basically, I'm gonna show y'all, like, when I put my base speaker in, I gotta move the stuff from the trunk, that stock, whatever, all the other stuff, I'm gonna throw those out. Put my bass begin in it, and then put my amp, and then show you how I really want it, and all that other stuff and everything. But everybody, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, keep updating my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share all my videos so we can reach 1,000 subscribers at the end of 2021. Next year, if we could do that. And stay tuned, because me and my girl's gonna get our apartment and all that too. Stay tuned for that. Check out my wife's channel, Nautica Wilson. Subscribe to her channel, show her some support. So we gonna do, like, her YouTube channel gonna be like a family vlog with me and her, and sometimes her, like, I'm doing like myself. So basically y'all see what we doing, like, on a daily basis, what challenge, pranks, all that other stuff. All right, guys. But I'll see you on another vlog. I love you guys. Everybody, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see y'all in another vlog.